Hello everyone, today I would like to let you to visit the Vegetarian Festival of Trat province in 2024. Okay, first of all, let's go together. I have walked from my car to join the festival. Okay, at here there are many shops to buy the vegetarian food. You can choose and shop and eat for the people who would like to have the vegetarian food ขออนุญาตถ่ายหน่อยนะคะ Okay, this is next. Yeah, that are all vegetarian one. This shop is very popular because many people come to buy. There are many foods to choose to eat. Here you can choose the food like our Thai local food as a vegetarian food. They are all vegetarian food. Some of food we didn't know that it's a vegetarian because it look like the same one as before we have it. And if you would like to eat the vegetarian food, you can come to choose and to buy because there are many things. This is khao kiep bak mo. I don't know in English, but in Thai we say khao kiep bak mo. It's made from mushroom. Yeah, it's from mushroom. You can choose and buy. Just I think only 20 baht. If you would like to eat the popcorn and the crisps, there are many things of crisps. You can choose and buy too. This is in Thai we say popia, but I don't know in English what we will say, what we will call. This is the twins. Yeah, that's a look like a Chinese style. So I will go inside to do merit of them. Because here, like I said, for the charity kitchen, the vegetarian charity kitchen, I come to here and donate for 100 baht, for to support the charity kitchen here too. If you would like to do merit and if you would like to come to eat the vegetarian food, the vegetarian food festival, you can come to join around Thailand, but this is in Trat province. 10 days, 10 nights to make your body fresh without any meat. Yeah, you can.